The bow tie is a work of art in and of itself. It's a declaration that you're debonair, self-aware, and not afraid to stand out among the mob of 4-in-hand and half Windsor tie knots. Not that they're in any way defective. Learning how to knot a bow tie properly is not only a valuable life skill, but also a rite of passage. This eye-catching alternative to the traditional necktie is a preppy favorite and easier to pull off than you may think. Adjust your bow tie to be 1/4 to 1/2 larger than neck size. 1. Hang bow tie flat around neck, with one side longer by approximately 1.5. 2. Cross the long side over the shorter side. 3. Bring long end underneath and up through neck. Pull tightly and drape over shoulder. 4. Pull from middle of hanging side toward draped side to create a bow. 5. Bring top over the middle of the bow. 6. Now for the tricky part. Pinch both ends in front to reveal a loop. 7. Fold and pass it through the loop. You're almost done. 8. Tug on both folded ends simultaneously to tighten. 9. Alternate between folded and unfolded sides to adjust until bows are even.